Ready today we have a ProMaster van, and this is at a Sisters on the Fly event, and this is Karen, and she's going to tell us all about her van. So this is the name of it, Van Go Ventures, or is that a company that built it out?
I built it.
You built it. Okay,
I built it.
Yourself.
That's my name.
And how long did it take you?
Well, I was working, so it was on and off. It was an ongoing project because I wasn't retired yet, so it was on and off a year, you know. Trying to decide how to make things and what you want to do, that kind of thing. So
you want to show me inside and tell me about it?
Come on in.
So this is her refrigerator here.
Yes, that's my refrigerator that runs off electric or off of solar.
Okay. And then down here you said this was your potty.
That's a portable potty.
Is it like a luggable loo, or is it?
It's a bedside commode.
It's a bedside commode.
So
okay, so that's for emergency.
This is my sink, which is a $10 mixing bowl.
It's a what? $10 mixing bowl?
$10 mixing bowl.
Okay. And it has a drain and
Yes.
everything. Okay.
And it has a 5-gallon clear water, 1 gallon wastewater with the foot pump to pump the water up, so it requires no electricity.
Good idea. All right.
Microwave only runs if I'm at a campground with electricity. Otherwise, everything is on solar.
And all of your cabinets are magnetic, so they hold the magnets.
Yes, it's got galvanized tin in them.
And you showed me how they open.
Yeah, they have little struts on them, so they
have struts so they stay open. That's a good idea. So she has 2 sleeping areas in here.
I have a table,
lots of storage underneath. And
table
that's a slide
under the
out
bed, slide out table.
Okay.
So if you're sitting on the couch.
And this is a couch.
Yep.
But you have it set up as a bed right now.
Yep.
Okay. So there are 2 sharing this one for this trip. And up here she's got storage underneath the cabinets. Did you make all these origami?
My son's girlfriend made that for me.
How cool. That's a lot of work. So what is the wall covering here?
It's the same as the ceiling, which is just tongue and groove. And the walls are the back side.
The back side of that tongue and groove?
Yes.
And then did you paint them?
I did paint them. Yes.
Yeah, that's cool. So that's real wood.
Real wood, yes.
And tell me how wide this bed is, you said?
This bed is only 28 inches because it's my camping air mattress is 28 inches.
And how this comfortable is that?
Oh, I love it because I've always camped on that mattress before the van, so I've always had it. I would take it on trips all the time, and that's why I made it for this size, because I was already used to sleeping on it.
And then this one is how wide?
This is only 25 inches. It can extend to a twin, but she never needs it that way. She's fine with it being this wide.
Okay. And so we're in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Where are you from?
I'm from near Cleveland, Ohio.
So how long does it take you to get
7.5 hours to get down here.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad.
And there's her tutu.
No, that's my friend's tutu.
Oh, your friend's tutu.
Yeah.
Okay, so they're having a cowgirl prom tonight.
Yes. And this is my
the coat rack here.
Coat rack I made. And up here's all kinds of storage too.
And then you can just get in there and drive if you need to get away.
Yes.
Yeah, really nice. Nice job. And lots of storage under here.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we can put our electric bike under my bed. A kayak can go through the middle here.
Mm-hmm.
Another electric bike can go where you're standing, and another kayak on this bed. So we take 2 bikes and 2 kayaks.
Wow. Adventure girls. All right, I'm going to look at the outside. Thank you for showing me, Karen.
Okay, you can go look at the garage if you want in the back.
The garage, is it open? No, it's not open. Okay, we'll open the garage. She's going to show us back there. And that's where the bike goes. Oh, she has a lot of storage under there.
Rugs, and umbrellas, and chairs. All the long stuff goes on that side. And then this side, I can put my bike in here, but I also I'm getting ready to put running boards on, so that's what those are.
You have a lot of storage.
Just stuff.
And you can stand up in there. How tall is it inside? Do you know?
I think it's like 6'2" or 6'3" in there, maybe.
And there's a fantastic fan?
Max Air.
Max Air. So do you have air conditioning?
No.
No.
Don't need it.
Don't need it.
Don't need it
at all. Right. Nice big steps too.
These fold up. So they just go right here.
That's cool. So everything has a place.
Everything has to have a place.
Yeah.
Yes.
When you're living small, it has to. Are you full-time in this, or you just go out for vacation?
Just practically full-time because I'm gone all the time, but no, it's not full-time.
I love that right there.
Yeah, my sister made that for me.
That's so cute.
And then on the back here, we hang our hiking poles, as you see here.
Okay, just a second. Over here?
Our hiking poles and our campfire mittens.
Oh, is that what those mittens are for? Okay.
Yeah, for when it's cold out.
And they're wool applique. I do that.
Yes. And then hooks up there for our backpacks and hats.
Now those magnets right there, those are the states. Are those on the right, all the ones you've been to?
Yes.
Okay, so there's not many you haven't been to.
And I have been to the other ones, but my van hasn't. So I'm only putting up there where my van has been with me camping, not where I have been. Because I have been to California, but my van hasn't yet.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Karen. Enjoy your stay. Bye, everybody. Check out my other videos. See you next time.